Welcome to Yikang Group.
I'm Lexi.
I'm Jenny.
Today, Jenny and I will show you around the factory. Now, let's go. Now we are at the showroom. So, Yikang Group was established in the year of 1989. In 1992, we set up the first standard GMP purified workshop here in Jiangxi province. In 1999, obtained the registration certificate for syringes. The Follicasters and endotracheal tubes were officially launched into production in 2014. In between, I want to highlight the milestones. In 2002, we got the certificate for CE, and in year of 2017, we got the FDA certificate. And now I will show you the products. So these are our co-products: syringes, escape wound set, infusion set, Follicasters, suction tubes, endotracheal tubes, and tracheostomy tubes. And our products are distributed to more than 80 countries like Brazil and Chile, Egypt and South Africa, Turkey and Saudi Arabia, Vietnam and Philippines. They are too numerous to enumerate one by one. So being a reliable enterprise, besides contributing to the local economic development and employment, Yikang Medical also set up an education fund to support the local education. Quite impressive, huh? Now let's go to the workshop to dig more about the production. So firstly, let's go to the workshop of the Follicasters. So before entering into the workshop, we need to wash our hands and then wear this protection shield and then disinfect our hands. Now, let's go. Here is the dipping process of the Follicasters. Now they are assembling the balloons onto the casters. So this is the automatic production line of the Follicasters. We have 4 lines of this type, which can assure a production capacity of 3.1 million pieces per month. Now we are at the workshop of endotracheal tubes and PVC tubes. So this is the tube forming and cutting, and the cast production process for the endotracheal tubes and tracheostomy tubes by this giant machine. So now they are assembling the balloons onto the casters. Here, by this step, we assemble the springs into the reinforced endotracheal tube. So now we are at the assembling lines of the endotracheal tube. So now we come to the automatic packing of endotracheal tubes. The production capacity per month is 0.6 million pieces. So thanks very much for your time. Now I will hand it over to Jenny for the following presentation.
Thank you for Lexi. Now please follow me to the next workshop for infusion set, syringe, and escape wound set. First, in the plastic injection workshop, we will produce components of syringe, escape wound set, and infusion set. We will produce the components of syringe, infusion set, and escape wound set with these huge machines. Let's come to automatic assembly production lines and packing lines for infusion set. 7 lines work together. We can produce 56 million pieces per month. Now show to you is our automatic escape wound set production line and packing lines. After 1 month hard working, we can get 20 million pieces. Now we can see our automatic assemble production line and packing line for syringe. Each month, the production capacity reaches to 70 million pieces. After getting a pass bill, the finished goods will move to the sterilization room. Let's go to see how they are processing. These are our preheating room. These are our EO sterilization cabinets. Look at this microbiological testing tablet. The engineer would put this on the carton. After sterilization, the engineer will test the tablet bacterial residue to meet the requirements of ISO standard. Same testing to EO residue. And these are our automatic controlling system. Next, we will talk about a topic the customers are the most concerned, quality. Quality control is the key point of products. Now let's go to see what Yikang do in this part. This is our laboratory, include physical, chemistry, and biochemistry laboratory. During production, the quality engineers will test the samples for many items, dimension, strength, connecting, and pH values, etc. After finish all the tests and qualified, the quality engineer will send out a pass bill. Now let's go to the chemistry laboratory. Now our engineers are busy in doing the chemistry test. Here is our physical laboratory. Now it's doing the test for dimension of folic acid. This is the test of flow rate for folic acid. Now we come to the catheter strength for folic acid. After 1 minute, this is the test of connecting strength for scalp set. This is the leakage test for infusion set. This is the negative pressure test for syringe. Now we come to the biochemistry laboratory. After product sterilization, we will do the microbiological test in here. This is counter room. Now we enter into the room. It's for the test of EO gas residue. After finished production, certain quantity of samples will be kept in Yikang's sampling room for more than 10 years, together with the testing records and production records. Okay, till now, we finished all the procedure, and then they will be sent to all over the world. Thank you for your listening. I hope next time you can visit Yikang in person. Bye-bye.